Alright, check this out. This is an Alfa Romeo 8C. It's well, it's made quite a while ago, limited edition. It's an Alfa Romeo, and it has a Ferrari V8 in it. So I believe it's the same V8 using the Ferrari 458. But Alfa made these, I think, back in 2012, and they originally came in at about $250,000, completely sold out. And here we have one of South OC Cars and Coffee. So let's take a closer look here. I mean, the lights are really unique. Alfa lights, and yeah, the famous Alfa beacon in the front there. Yeah, it's a beautiful car. It is a truly beautiful car. The polished Alfa wheels. All right, so. Yeah. Wow, this is beautifully preserved. That interior is immaculate. It looks like it's never been sat in. Yeah, I can see that the owner didn't drove this much, if ever. Yeah, so there you go. It's an 8C competition only. The exhaust in the back. There's the backup light. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful car. 8C competition only Alfa Romeo, and yeah, I can see the wrap on it. Nice. Yeah, the thing is fully PPF, including the headlights.
So John, is this a front engine or rear
It's a front engine, rear wheel drive Alfa Romeo 8C competition only. As I believe they made about 150 of these, so this is a very, very rare car if you do see one. So there you go.